Hey everyone! It's Cat
and a lizard,
and welcome to our channel.
We heard that the Victoria's Secret fashion show got cancelled this year, and yeah, you already know the details.
Now we have been fans of this show ever since we were kids, and we've always dreamed about being Victoria's Secret angels ourselves.
So we decided to have our own little fashion show here at home.
We just want to do this for fun and feel good about ourselves and just have a good time.
Spread the positivity. We're gonna take inspiration from this look from the Victoria's Secret fashion show 2014.
The fantasy bras were worn by the beautiful, the gorgeous Adriana Lima and Alessandra Ambrosio, and since there are two of us, we're gonna make two fantasy bras.
Let's get started!
For this project, we're going to use two brand new lingerie sets, lots and lots of crystal stones, and fabric glue. Let's start with the red bra. These stones already have glue on them, but it won't last long on fabric, so we're going to use our fabric glue. We'll apply a thick line along the border of the cup and paste the biggest stones like this. Then we're gonna randomly dot fabric glue and paste the stones all over. We started with the biggest stones first and filled the gaps with the smaller stones. Also, we're gonna paste a blue heart right at the center. Wow, I cannot wait to wear it. Moving on to the chaddi. Underwear. Let's put a book inside there so that the fabric won't stick to itself. Well, my college textbook turned out to be useful after all, huh? Okay, we're gonna do the exact same thing. Paste the biggest stones first and then fill the gaps with the smaller stones. But we made sure to paste the stones closer to each other because when we wear the garment, it's going to stretch. Time for the blue set. We'll start with the bra again, and we're gonna do exactly what we did with the red one. We will start with the borders and paste the biggest stones first and use the smaller stones to fill those gaps. Ooh, and we're definitely adding a red heart. Fun fact, when I bought this roll of stickers, I actually thought that this flower was one single piece. Now I have to paste these stones one by one to recreate the flower design. It may be a little frustrating, but it's not like I have anything better to do for the next 600 years, so I might as well just spend it on doing this. Awesome. Now let's fill these gaps with the smaller stones and we're done. Now the underwear is mostly lace, so we're gonna paste just a few stones on the lace part and focus on this little triangle in the middle here. We pasted the stones very tightly together and oh my god, this looks so sparkly! For the body chain, we're going to use colorful pearls, some string, a pair of scissors, a pistola de silicona or glue gun, and silver and golden chain mail. I have no freaking idea what these are called, please forgive me. Okay, first we're gonna cut the chains out of the chainmail. This isn't even metal, it's plastic, because we're poor. But don't worry, it's gonna look good from a distance. We made sure to cut a few thicker chains, which will be used as belts that will go around the rib cage and the waist. Now we're gonna measure our human and accordingly cut out small pieces of the chain to form two triangles for the bobs. This chain here will go around the neck. We will stick the chains together, carefully keeping in mind the measurements of our human. Now we'll cut little bits of the chains and add fringes here. Wow! Moving on to the next part. This is the chain for the waist. We'll simply cut pieces of the chains and paste on the belt like this to kind of make it look like a skirt. We purposely left a gap in the middle because we didn't want the chains to cover our diamonds. For the golden body chain, we're going to cut the chains out again, measure our human, and accordingly paste our chains together to form this structure. Now for this one, we'll have a different design. We'll paste the chains like this instead, and that's all. For the bottom, we're going to make shorts. We have to make sure we got the right measurements or else it's going to be too tight or too loose. We have our belt here and now we're going to make these circles and secure them. And then we're going to connect these circles to the belt using hot glue and more chains. And to make it match the top, we'll add these extra chains here like this. And voila, we're almost done. Lastly, we'll add a hook, claw, clamp. What do you call these anyway? Please let us know in the comments. We wanted to add these silver and blue pearls on the body chain, but they were too heavy, so we decided to put them alternately in a string. Here's a fun tip. We applied hot wax to the tip of the string just to harden it, and this makes our work much easier. Done! Next, we're gonna take 13 centimeters of that and tie it up like this. And here we have 6 pieces that we're gonna glue right on the inside of the bra. These 4 pieces are 20 centimeters long, and we're gonna glue them on the inside of the underwear. That's it! Again, we have these red and golden pearls. We just tied these strings together and glued them on the inside of the underwear. We wanted to glue this bunch in the middle of the bra like this, but because it opens in the front, we'll just tape it on the wearer. no one will be able to tell. Finally, for the wings, we will use some metal wire. As you can see, this is soft enough for me to bend with one hand. Also, we're gonna need this little metal saw, kite paper, tape, scissors, newspaper, ribbons, and those strings we didn't use for the body chain. This one is quite simple. First, we will cut these shapes out of newspaper. Then we will shape the wire to make it look like this. Here we have taped the newspapers to the wire, and we've tied these ribbons as straps. This golden string will go around the wearer's body to secure the wings in place. Now we're gonna take all our kite paper, fold them up, and cut out feathers. Okay, these are too big. There, that's better. Now all we have to do is tape the feathers to the newspaper, making sure we cover up everything nicely. We'll use the same method for the second pair of wings. We'll tape a few newspapers together and cut out this Batman symbol. Then we'll shape our wire accordingly. Now we've taped the wire to the Batman symbol and attached these ribbons here so we can wear it as a backpack. Also, the silver string will go around the wearer's body. Now all we gotta do is add the feathers and take these leftovers from the chain material and cut off the stones and just glue them on the feathers to add some sparkle to it. We did the same for the other pair of wings. And at last, we're done. Here's the final look.
And that's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. We also hope that this video inspires you to make your own dreams come true. No matter how small or silly, as long as it makes you happy. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel up here. To watch our other DIY videos, click on that playlist over there. Check out this playlist if you want to see our song covers. Lots of love and smiles and sparkle. See you next time. Bye.